Welcome to my Easy Know-How. Instagram has added some new features, and one of them is a Polaroid photo style sticker frame that allows you to shake your device to reveal the image. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the shake to reveal photo frame sticker for Instagram stories. Now, let's get started to use the shake to reveal sticker on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and begin creating a new story post as normal. Then tap the sticker icon at the top, select frames. Now select an image from your camera roll that you want to put inside the frame that your story viewers can shake to reveal. Keep in mind that you won't be able to adjust or crop the image, so using an image that has the main focus of the photo in the middle works. Best tap the photo you want to use to select it now. You can write a caption to go on the frame if you like. Tap done when you're finished. Then you can drag and rotate the sticker to place it wherever you'd like on your story. When you're happy with how it looks, tap your story at the bottom to post it. When people view your story, they'll be prompted to shake their device to reveal the image inside the frame. That's all it takes to use the shake to reveal photo frame sticker on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our Easy Know How.